Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The price of 21 kg of millet or 5 kg of oranges is $336. So the price of 8 kg of millet and 20 kgs of oranges is what we have to find out. So what is given is price of 21 kg millet, which is equal to the price of 5 kg oranges, and this is given as $336. So from here we can find out the price of 1 kg of millet. So the price of 1 kg millet, by using the unitary method, we can say is equal to 336 divided by 21, because 21 kg millet price is $336. So for 1 kg millet price, it will be 336 divided by 21. Similarly, we can say that the price of 1 kg oranges will be equal to 336 divided by 5. Now, what we have to find out is price of 8 kg millet and 20 kg oranges. So this is equal to the price of 1 kg millet, which is equal to 336 divided by 21, but here it is 8 kg, so multiplied by 8, plus price of 1 kg oranges is 336 divided by 5, but here we have to find out the price of 20 kg, so multiplied by 20. So this is the price of 8 kg of millet and 20 kgs of oranges. Let us simplify this. So this will be equal to this, and if we add these values, so this is equal to $1,472. So this is the price of 8 kg of millet and 20 kg of oranges.